So you're going to be watching out for this particular trade that I'm going to be staking right here. It's a big buy trade, as you can see right here. So as you can see right here, so let's see what the result is going to look like. Pay attention to the balance. I'm actually using a demo account so that everyone is going to be carried alongside with this particular model. So just pay close attention on this. This is purely straight a very simple strategy. I'm just making use of the regular candle analysis, so to say. I'm talking about the normal Japanese candle analysis, and this is just what I'm just doing. And this is a beautiful one. We had this trend and we had this particular trade successful. As you can see, my balance here, the demo balance has increased. All right, so you could, this becomes your saving candle. Think of it that way. Once you see something like this, I mean, this is a perfect opportunity for a buy trade, as you can see right here. And you do this real quick, and the result is going to blow your mind. You just need this one candle to get to that level you need as regarding your finance. And this is just pretty much it. Yes, so you could try this out yourself and see what your so you have a lot of rejection level in the course of a candle being formed, as you can see. And so we do a sharp buy here, as you can see right here. And let's watch out what the result is going to look like. Remember, this is on a 15 seconds time frame, as you can see right here. So let's see what the result is going to look like. Pretty much quick, and then boom, this is it. We just add this plus over $2,000 to. So here's another one, as you can see right here. We're going to actually be staking a sell trade, as you can see right here, real quick, as you can see right here. So this is what we're having here. Remember, there is a rejection, as you can see on this particular candlestick. So we're doing this real quick, and let's see what the result is going to look like once this is done. Now boom, this is a big win for us. Now please ensure you pay attention to this particular chart. Very important. You look at the candles, look at the way they are formed and all of that. So that will really help you in terms of staking up your trade to make this massive profit. Analyzing the forex candlesticks. Now let's look at this closely. I'm going to be staking sell here. Now the reason why I have to do this real quick is because I've already seen the pattern at which this chart is currently heading towards. Now, if from what I've been able to deduce is that, as you can see, we had a very beautiful entry right there, and that was actually a win trade for me. Now I have to pull through to see what the trend of this particular trade is going to look like, or what the trend of this market is at the time. As you can see, this is actually an upward trend. So what we're going to be doing is to still analyze the trend, and from here we're actually going to still be entering a trade from here as well. We are not through with this particular market at the time. Let's enter another trade, and you would see clearly what the resultant effect is going to look like. And the trade that I'm actually going to be entering here is actually going to be, let's watch closely, and you see why and how I was able to enter this particular trade real quick for you to see what my result level is going to look like. Now let's do this real quick together. Just hold on, I'm trying to analyze this particular candlestick, then I'm going to be shooting my trade. So let's just watch real quick and closely and pay attention so you understand exactly what I'm trying to achieve in this particular trade from this candlestick you're seeing fluctuating here. Now I have to fix a buy trade here, as you can see right here, because this is perfect. This is actually a perfect opportunity to enter the market at the time. And as you can see, let's wait for the couple of minutes to see, or a couple of seconds to see what the result is going to look like. And then beautifully, where boom, this is a win. As you can see, the balance has been added. So we've been able to add through the entire trade of this particular market. We've been able to add over all right, let's do this real quick on this particular chart. Now we're actually buying here from this particular candlestick formation, and as you can see right here, this is actually taking us to an anticipated wins, as you can see right here. So let's see what the resultant effect is going to look like, and boom, this is it. We just added this to the balance right in this account, as you can see right here. So pretty much it take a very close look at the formation of the candlestick, and from here you'll be able to also remember your volatility level. All right, so the war continues between the buyers and the seller, talking about those big institutions. And as we are seeing here, when a candlestick happens to be affiliated to the buyers, as you can see right here, then automatically the sellers step in and they try to pull through or pull down that candlestick. And from this particular chart, you can see that that's what is actually happening. So once you see something like this, the next thing to do is to anticipate or predict the next candlestick pattern which is going to be coming up, and from there you make your profit, as you can see right here. So we have already topped another, about $1,000 to the. So you're going to be watching out for this particular trade that I'm going to be staking right here. It's actually a downward um a sell trade, as you can see right here. So let's see what the result is going to look like. Pay attention to the balance. I'm actually using a demo account so that I everyone is going to be carried alongside with this particular model. So just pay close attention on this. This is purely straight a very simple strategy. I'm just making use of the regular candle analysis, so to say. I'm talking about the normal Japanese candle analysis, and this is just what I'm just doing, and this is a beautiful one. We had this trend and we had this particular trade successful. As you can see, my balance here, the demo balance has increased. All right, so you could try this yourself. Just look at what this chart looks like. If you see something like this, you can